Good day, UK. Here's your weather forecast. In London, overcast with breaks with the mercury reaching 26. A fresh westerly wind of 13 miles per hour, dipping to 14 degrees tonight. A few showers developing. Moving elsewhere, in Manchester, light rain with the mercury reaching 22. Fresh westerly winds at 13 miles per hour. Tonight cooling to 11. In Birmingham, misty rain with the mercury reaching 20. Winds westerly at 17 miles per hour. Tonight's low will be 9 degrees. In the northwest, the forecast for Liverpool shows light rain reaching 19 degrees. A fresh westerly wind of 14 miles per hour. Tonight's low around 12 degrees. Low pressure bringing changeable conditions. Leeds will see mostly cloudy, with temperatures reaching a high of 21. Fresh westerly winds around 15 miles per hour. Minimum temperature 11 degrees. Bristol will be light drizzle, with temperatures climbing to 19. A fresh westerly breeze around 17 miles per hour. Tonight's low around 12 degrees. Patchy rain clearing by evening. Turning our attention, Brighton will experience changeable, with afternoon highs around 17. Strong southwesterly winds around 23 miles per hour. Cooling down to 14 after sunset. Temperatures trending upward. In Oxford, rather cloudy with highs climbing to 22 degrees. Strong westerly winds around 19 miles per hour. Tonight's low will be 12 degrees. In Cambridge, rather cloudy with the mercury reaching 25. Windy conditions with southwesterly winds at 20 miles per hour. Cooling down to 11 after sunset. Rain clearing eastwards by evening. In the southwest, in Plymouth today, occasional light rain with temperatures up to 18. Fresh southwesterly winds around 17 miles per hour. Overnight temperatures around 14 degrees. For Portsmouth, some cloud with temperatures reaching 19. Strong southwesterly winds of 22 miles per hour. Cooling down to 14 after sunset. In Norwich, expect rather cloudy with highs of 26. Strong westerly winds at 19 miles per hour. Overnight temperatures around 11 degrees. Scattered cloud developing. Exeter will experience occasional light rain, with afternoon highs around 21. Fresh westerly winds around 16 miles per hour. Overnight lows around 14. Meanwhile, in Reading, overcast with breaks with the mercury reaching 24. A fresh southwesterly breeze around 18 miles per hour. Minimum temperature 15 degrees. Clearer conditions spreading in. That's all for now. If you want to keep up with the UK's ever-changing weather, hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.